Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add coupon in WordPress WooCommerce. So it's so simple. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to this left side panel, and here you'll see the option for marketing, and under it you have the option for coupons. Once you click there, this window will pop up, and here you need to click on add new coupon. Then here you need to type the coupon code which you wanna create. I wanna create the coupon code as first user. Once you type it, you can type the description as well, but that is optional. I'll just leave it as it is. Then here is the main thing, that here you need to choose the discount type. Like if you want to give the customer like fixed card discount, percentage discount, fixed product discount, it is up to you. In my case, I'm gonna give them percentage discount, so I'll just select this one. And here you need to type the amount. So I want to give them 20% discount as because they are first user, so I'll just type 20. Then here if you want to allow this coupon code to give your customer free shipping, then you can check this box. Now here you can just type the coupon expiry date. I just don't wanna expire this coupon, so I'll just leave it as it is. Then here you have the next window as usage restriction, so we have to open this option. On this window you have couple of options, like you can set the maximum spend, minimum spend, you can enter the amounts. I don't want to set any minimum spend or maximum spend, and similarly I'm just gonna leave those boxes again. Now here you can check this box for individual use only. So if you don't want to let people use this for conjunction with other coupons, you can just check the box for that. If you want to exclude the sale items, check this box too, like the coupon will not apply to the items which is for sale. Next you have the option to choose the products. Right here you can choose the specific product where this coupon code gonna work, and similarly you have the option for exclude products. You can search for the product which this coupon code will not work on. Now if you scroll, you will see couple of more options, product categories, exclude categories, and this is gonna work similarly as I said here. Now if you go to this window, usage limit, here you will see the first option, usage limit per coupon. Here you can enter the amount, how many times this coupon should work on, so you can enter that amount. Then here you have the second option, limit usage to X items. So right here you can just set the maximum number of individual items this coupon can apply to, so it is up to you again. Then here you have the third option, usage limit per user, and this is gonna be very important one. So here you need to type the amount, like how many times the person should use this coupon. I only want the people to use this coupon only one time, so I'll just type the 1. Now what you can do, just click on publish and your coupon gonna be published for people. Now if you go to our store and try to use the coupon to see whether it is available or not, so let's say I click on add to cart and click on this add a coupon here and type my coupon to see whether it is working or not. And yeah, you can see we got the discount. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can add coupon in WordPress WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.